Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. On the daily chart, what we see over here is pretty much a sideways movement. If you want to see the bottom and the top is within one screen size, that's what we can see as well. And you can see a bit like coming back to retest on the previous low. So in advance, we can say that overall it might go into a really sideways movement, which is fine, and that is of course on the weekly chart. But on the daily chart, what we can see is a bearish movement. All right, so over here what we have is very different from euro dollar counterparts. The movement, the candle formation is really different. However, the market is coming back to the previous consolidation zone for a retest. To the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. Bearish movement, market came out, came back down again, and of course this is for harmonic pattern traders. You might spot something, can always scan this QR code that will bring you to our website over here. That is where you can start to interact with us, and this is powered by Telegram, so security is definitely there. Better than we are hosting our own chat room, correct? And this put you into a more mobile situation as well. If you scroll down further, you can even start learning trading for free over here with no obligation. And once you have practiced those in a practice account, which commonly also known as a demo account, when you're confident, then you make your own arrangement and judgment. All right, so of course, yeah, if you're looking for group coaching or personal coaching, drop me a note as well. If you scroll down further, you can see some of our trading ideas, and the beauty of these trading ideas is for you to look into my thought process. Every step of the move will be updated over here. You will able to see my thought process on how I handle a winning trade and how do I manage a losing trade as well. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let us continue with our analysis down to the 1-hour chart. What we see over here is a level of my interest will be about 1.25 range. That will be a retest of the previous high, and this entire structure really interests me in another way. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis. Last week I did talk about this ABCD extension on the hop level. You can check out the video last week to learn, and that's the best way, because you can go back to the past and see as a future right now, right? You see last week video and see how I did my forecast, my thought process, what I'm looking at, confirmation, what's the rules I set, and you can see how things actually turn out. All right, and this really make us very different from most educators out there, where we share with you the progress when we are analyzing, correct? Because I find that there isn't much value to show results in terms of profitability. If you're serious to learn about this, is more towards the progress of the market movement. All right, so this is what we have on the daily chart, and the market did rebound, and if you caught this wave, congratulations. You're looking at right now you have 259 pips of profits. That's when you trade one lot, $2,590. All right, one standard contract. That's what we call it, one lot. For our chart, if you remember, I did say that this is a buy zone. Unfortunately, last week the buy zone has been broken. So if you kept the buy zone, what you could do is to wait for a retest somewhere close over here. When you see a reversal sign, this could be your call to engage the trade. If you're conservative, you can even wait for candle confirmation to engage it. You should at least caught 105 pips as well. If you have missed it, it's fine. Don't chase the market, because we are nearing to the shark pattern completion, 1.2585. Even if this level is broken, we are not out of the woods, because a shark pattern can have up to 3 entry price. We have to make sure we go past that, and by looking at these red blocks, you should be able to know that these are all resistance level. You have to wait for the price to settle down before hitting for a short. Okay, 1-hour chart. This is what we have on the 1-hour chart. Another potential bullish shark pattern completion, 1.2213. My focus will be more on the 4-hour chart, but I just want to show you the possibility as well. All right, so that's all I have for you today. If you have seen how the market is for the past few years. In fact, you can find that actually trading is the best way to earn money because you can earn on the go. If you're looking for a coach, just let me know if you're looking for a group coaching setup or a personal coaching setup. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care.